Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. Today is our 7th flyover or flyby at Lucid Motors in Casa Grande, Arizona. We are still doing the perimeter videos until we hash out an agreement with Lucid Motors. Yes, we're making progress, but we are not there yet. Today is a Thursday and we flew today because we wanted to be able to show actual work being done. We also had a lot of viewers questioning the empty parking lot. We've been flying on Sunday and, well, Lucid takes that day off. I've heard that employees at Lucid are working long days and lots of hours in that factory, and showing an empty parking lot does not give them credit they deserve for their work. Today is a work day, and we can see anywhere between 500 and 600 cars in the parking lot, so yes, they are working. Add in the people who carpool or got dropped off, and we can see that there are plenty of workers in there. Probably 700, 800, and there could be more. I don't know how many people, but just the fact that many cars are there, yeah, things are happening. So in today's video, we're going to see some more actual grading being done. We can see the earth movers and the scrapers and the bulldozers pushing the scrapers. We can see them all there doing their thing. There's plenty of workers out there and equipment, and it appears where the general assembly building is going, they're digging out an area to a lower depth. This could be for foundation, for footers, or any number of reasons. And we'll find out in the future as we continue to do these flyovers. We can also see more areas are being irrigated to prep them for where they're going to be graded next. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to help support this channel, please check out our Patreon account down below in the description. We appreciate our patrons and they help us keep this going. Now, let's go fly.